Welcome to the Hotel and Resort AI Chatbot Preview. This intelligent assistant is designed to simplify how guests explore stays and book accommodations, making the travel experience personalized, guided, and completely effortless. The conversation begins with a warm welcome message followed by two primary options: book a hotel or book a resort. These are standard industry features, but they can be fully customized to suit the specific needs of any hospitality business. When a user shares their booking requirement, the chatbot instantly suggests the best available options based on the request, along with a convenient Book Now option. Once the user selects Book Now, the chatbot collects essential booking details such as the check-in date, check-out date, and number of guests. After gathering this information, the bot generates a clear summary of the entire request for confirmation. Once the user confirms the details, the chatbot instantly shares a final booking confirmation message. With a smooth conversational flow and instant responses, this hotel and resort AI chatbot ensures guests can explore accommodations and complete bookings quickly and conveniently, all through a single intelligent conversation. Now that we have explored the chatbot preview, let's look at how to install a template in ihakimi. From the dashboard, navigate to the template store. Here, you will find a wide range of multi-industry templates. Select the template you would like to install and you will be taken to the installation screen. On this page, you will see a short summary of the template and its basic content. Click Next Step to continue. In the next step, you can either choose an existing bot or create a new one. After selecting the bot, copy the template you want to install and click Create Bot. A new folder containing the installed template will automatically appear inside your selected or newly created bot. Now, let's step inside the flow builder. This section contains multiple subflows, where each flow is designed to perform a specific action. From here, we can access various nodes and work closely with the AI agent. The AI agent operates based on its defined role and skills. It manages the flow efficiently and delivers relevant and accurate results. This structure makes it easy to create rich, interactive, and fully customizable chatbot experiences. And that completes our walkthrough of the Hotel and Resorts AI chatbot template installation process and flow builder overview.